All right, we're here today in Hamburg, New York. We're going to spray a basement ceiling flat black. It seems to be the trend for the last several years, and it doesn't seem to be stopping. It's an affordable way to improve the quality of your home, give you a nice fresh office space, entertainment area, or just a play area for the kids. So you're going to see a before, we're going to show you some afters, and we'll actually show you some durings. We're using the flat black from Sherwin-Williams, the dry fall products, and the guys are going to do a good job, and it's going to be a great day, and it's going to look beautiful for the customer at the end of the day. The customer just has to have the stuff out of the area that we're going to do, but then what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to mask everything off like a balloon, and then we're going to cover the entire floor, and we're going to do a path from the basement right out to the truck. So what's really nice about this process is, number one, you don't have to just go black. You can go any color you really want to, but you can also always have access to all of your plumbing, your electrical. If you have a lot of entertainment stuff in the house, for your TVs, you'll have access to everything. So we're beginning the process right now. The guys are starting to mask off all the walls. And so once this tape comes down, you'll see plastic getting dropped. Then we'll cover the floors. We're gonna protect everything. And again, like I said, we're gonna run a runner right out the house, out to the truck. So that way nothing gets into the house.